All right, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. We have received some pull requests for unassemblize on my work in progress branch. Okay, let's see. I already added it to my Git remotes. Let's see. Configure Zydus options before declaring. Declare dependencies. Okay, so that somehow works. Okay, approve. I think we should remove this Unicode symbol. Refactor CMake. Save. What is this here? Huh? Why is there a title here? Huh? Aha, there we go. Confirm squash. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's that. Let's check the next one. Change exe object sections from list to vector. Exe object from list to vector. Update initialization. Okay, let's see. std vector. What even is this? This line. This is from the original first implementation. I think it would also be enough to just write curly brackets here. And here just, I don't know. Vector. Is that all that's needed here? Let's see. Yes, one must be careful when changing list to vector because of unstable references. List has stable references, SD vector does not. So changing needs to be careful. We need to verify that the change actually is correct. It might be. We need to enable multi-threaded compiling. It's taking way too long. Mm, 4 minutes. It's too long. It's too long. Okay, let's do it afterwards. So XE object. Okay. Let's also change the title here. Refactor. Okay, so XE objects. Sections, let's see. Push back. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think that is fairly safe. We're just adding and then we're iterating it. We can also simplify this stuff here. Can we? IT sections. XE object section const section dot name what's the problem here? Sections how oh okay, I'm a bit confused. What is the problem here? It is a vector. Oh. I see. The name is different. There we go. Section. Okay. Okay, maybe we can also simplify this. I don't know why they go here with this. Like a for range loop is just so much more readable. Const exe object. Let's just call it objects. Okay, that doesn't work. Exe objects. Huh? What is in here? Oh, objects. There we go. Yeah, then we can probably also improve this here. Sections. Maybe we rename this to JS sections. Same here, JS sections. JS section. Okay, let's rename this to JS objects. Okay. Okay, and the other was exe objects. Exe objects. This one. Let's see. objects executable. This one. Okay, so we do a clear, we do an empty pushback, back, pushback, back, objects. Yeah. What does this return here? IT sections. Find if. Load objects. Push back. Push back. Target options. I can't say I'm a fan of this kind of writing because it's error prone in a way. Well, let's change this to emplace back. Which does not work. Then here I think we can't put this. No, we can't. And place back, back. I think this can be const. Oh, failed. What's the problem? Okay, so this somehow doesn't work. Huh. Let's see. Huh, okay. Well, then let's put it back to what it was. Or, yeah. Okay, let's see if there are any other dangers. Back, push back. No, it's just it's not using any references to it. It's always just iterating. Yeah. Yeah, seems to be fine. Okay, so we renamed this and that and this. Yeah, okay. Here we use the for range loop. Yep. And here we renamed, and also here the for range loop section. Yeah. Okay. Then we can say simplify and improve. Simplify and improve exe section code, object section code. Well, simplify and refactor, simplify and rename. Okay, so I compiled, right? Yeah, okay, then let's push that. I hope we can push. We can. Refresh. Approve. Okay. Okay. Refactor. Blah blah blah. Change. Okay, good. Merged successfully. All right. Then we work that off. Then we can go to go to our work in progress branch. And we pull. Okay. And then we can delete these guys. Force delete. Delete. Okay. Good, and let's see if that stuff still builds. Build solution. It's inhibition. What you can perhaps, let's say, I have merged your two pulls. What you can perhaps do is simplify the JSON safe load in executable file, simplify the JSON safe loads in executable class. It is overly complicated because it implements it all custom, whereas it is possible to simplify it by creating serialization helpers per struct. You can see how this is done in PDB reader types. PDB reader types and PDB reader types.cpp. Yeah, I mean, what may happen here is if refactoring this that the JSON format changes, but if we can migrate it, then it's probably not a big deal. You need to check however that previous config can be migrated to new formats if so required. That previous config, previous JSON layout can be migrated to new layouts if so required. Ideally, difference is small or null or none. Okay, So things have compiled. Okay, then what I would like to do is in CMake lists. CMake lists. Let me see. We did it already in Thyme. Here. It's, I think, MP. No. Okay, let's search for Windows. I don't find it. Maybe it's somewhere else. Maybe it's here. No. No. Ah, I think I know why. Because we are not on latest branch here. That's why. Let's go to develop branch. There we go. Then I should find the MP. There we go. So if MSVC, this is MSVC. Okay. MSVC. Good. Then we just put here if Windows, if MSVC, and if Windows. Let's put this at the end. Then we put build with multiple processes. What is that? Disable runtime checking. No idea what that is. Maybe we need to set this earlier. here. Let's also make a tab here. Spawn no console by default. Well, now we should move this also up. Maybe this should be moved up. Policy. Okay, maybe we should move this up as well. CMake.exe linker flags. Yeah, let's move that here. Here. Okay. Okay, let's see if it builds fast now or not. Rebuild solution. Let's the parsing finish here. Okay, build, rebuild solution. Let's see. Yeah, looks fast. Looks very fast. Well, it looks slow here. Oof. There are multiple MS builds, but I'm surprised it's still relatively slow. Because not all cores are efficiently utilized. There's a warning. Okay, but multi-threading definitely works. But it's still super slow. So as you can see, it utilizes all cores. But then it falls off the cliff somehow. Maybe some things can't be worked on in parallel. Maybe. Strange. Like, for example, let's say you have chain dependencies. Like, one thing needs to be done before the other thing can be started. Then you can't parallelize this. Maybe that's the reason that there's like a huge parallelization at the start because it can do multiple things. And then it falls off the cliff because now it can only go one object at a time. Maybe. There must be a reason. Oh, we only have 768 kilobyte cache. That's not much. Yeah, but it is a bit faster than before, right? So there is improvements. Okay. Yeah. Unassemblize. Okay. Build multiple processes. Spawn no console by default. Set Windows true. Yeah. So at or set mp cxx flags for faster compile. For faster MSVC compilation. Set mp cxx flags for faster MSVC compilation. Yeah. And we also moved some things. Move CMake definitions. Okay. Commit. Push. Okay. Then what we can also say, maybe you can also make another cleanup path on the root CMake list. Some things can be offloaded into separate CMake scripts with include with how we do separate CMake scripts with how we do it with include imgue. Maybe you can also make another cleanup pass on the root CMake. Some things can be offloaded into separate CMake scripts. See example, include imgue. Okay. I've pushed latest now. Yeah, so I think like this Seide sleeve stuff, for example, can be moved here. This can be moved into one file, and then maybe this as well, and this in another, and this. Like get this away. That's already getting rid of a bunch of stuff. And yeah. Good. This has been a 50-minute session, and I think that is sufficient. So next session we will have to start work on the. Actually, let's see if. Let's see if the thing actually still starts. It does. Okay, good. There are a few more ideas here. So for example, MV app. Where's it? Thyme. Yeah. It's too much code here. File manager body. No. Descriptor. Here. To do also draw fail status. Descriptor. How about we move this into a new function? Descriptor actions. Buttons. Descriptor save load status. Call this here, descriptor, and then we offload this stuff into this function, and somehow it didn't lead us to the correct function. Now it did. Okay. Maybe add here some spacings. By the way, this can be const descriptor. Const. Okay. Load. Okay, status still shows. Save. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Loaded exe config info. Okay, good. Then let's push that as well. move program file descriptor save load status to separate function. Commit and push. All right, good. Then that's it. All right, good. Yeah, so next session, we need to start thinking about let's launch it. The comparison manager. What I'm thinking is, first off, this should be a window that you can spawn multiple instances of. So there should be, so file manager is a singleton thing, just one file manager with all the files. But the comparison, there should be, you spawn one new window. So we have a comparison record and it owns one window, and then you can have multiple ones. And if you close the window, then it will delete the comparison. Is that fair? Something like that. Yeah. So basically, yeah. Yeah. So we need a program file descriptor. Pointer. Okay. Yeah, this vector is good. Okay, so we will need something like a comparison descriptor, PTR, and then this thing, and then each comparison descriptor should own a window like this, right? So if we go to tools and we click like create new comparison, it will create a new record, and then it will create this window, and then in this window we then can select different files here that we have loaded and then compare them against each other, and then it will process that thing, and then it will display us the result in tables, and then we can look at it. That is my high level idea. How all the implementation details look, we will have to discover. Hold shift to enable docking window. Oh, that's cool that there's a hint. Yeah. It takes really long to appear though. Like no one is going to hold it that long. I don't know why I did. Okay. Yeah, short tabs. Okay, good. Then, yeah, we will start this effort in the next session. And that will probably keep us busy for several more videos. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah. There was another to-do I wanted to add. And that is the remove button here. To do, got this button press with a confirmation dialog, question mark. There was an example in widgets, no, modals, delete. Yeah. There is an example for this in Dear ImGUI demo pop-ups and modal windows. Modals. There is an example for this. Okay. Good. Yeah, then I think that concludes the session. So it has been 1 hour 5 then. Time passes fast when being productive. Really, when you focus on the work and you're productive, time passes so fast. Hours, so fast, because you're just focused on getting the thing done, and you forget everything else. You just concentrate on the task, and you get shit done. And then just time goes by, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. But after some hours, you feel it. You feel it that you need a break because you get hungry. Right? Then you naturally want to take a break. When you feel hungry, it's a good sign that it's time to take a break. Yeah. So that's good. But the time until there can be used productively. That's what we do. All right, good. But I need to go to the shop now. I think that was a good morning session. We have a plan for the next session. And yeah, we go step by step. Yeah, I'm fairly confident that this tool will be all well and done when it's done. Yeah, well, it will be done when it's done. Yeah. Well, things never are really done. You can always make further revisions and improvements and fixes. Things rarely ever are done. Yeah. Well, yeah, especially in software. Yeah. All right, anyway, enough. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.